Today you will learn how to Zoom on your smartphone in under 2 minutes. To download Zoom, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Zoom. Click Get to start the download. Click Open to start Zoom. Click Sign Up to create an account. Type in your email address, first name, last name. Read and agree to the terms of service. Activate your account by clicking the confirmation link, which is sent to the email you signed up with. Create a password that meets the 6 requirements. You can invite others to join by typing in their email address and the captcha code, or skip this step. Now you're ready to Zoom. Open the app, sign in, read and grant permissions. You are now ready to host or lead a meeting. Share your ID so that others can join. Click Start Meeting. Read and grant permissions. You're live. Smile and be happy. To leave, click End. Confirm you are ending the meeting. To join an existing meeting, click Join. Adjust your video and audio. Type in the meeting ID and click Join. Congrats, you're Zooming. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave me a comment with a suggestion for my next tutorial video.